Welcome back, Creative Minds. This is Sami Hassan from Graphic Analyst, and in this tutorial, I am going to show you step by step how to create a crack screen in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you have already subscribed my channel and hit the bell button. So here is our picture, and we are first of all going to create this picture, duplicate by Ctrl J, and I'm going to put here an image from place link and select the image from here. Let's make it little bit bigger. We have to cover this space and make it multiply. Yeah, they're so big. And now I'm going to create a layer mask and select the brush tool. Make sure the brush is a soft brush, and also make sure the background color is black, and I'm going to make it some bigger and just paint over the unwanted areas. Just to remove this area. We don't need to do this on here. Once over the eyes.
Yeah, perfect. And remove this ear area also. Yeah, it's look good. And I also have to remove this lips area.
Yeah, now it's good. Now create the curve adjustment layer. Make it a little bit darker. And also select the foreground color is white and make the brush bigger. And now just paint over this highlighted area. Make sure the foreground color is blank. And now, decrease the opacity. Now paint here. Just make a highlight. It will be looking so good. Yeah. That's it. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and share this tutorial with your fellow artists. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.